this is going to be my whole process for putting on a wig for the day so that it doesn't move, it stays put until I take it off at night, and it's also comfortable. So it gives me a chance to talk about my favorite wig grip, the one, my holy grail of wig grips that I had been looking for years and finally found a little over a year ago, and it's from the Wig Guru. This is the GripAfix S. I like the S because the original GripAfix has Velcro on the inside right here. Disregard how dirty mine looks. I need to wash it, which I just wash it in the washing machine and I hang it up to dry, by the way. It has Velcro here so that if you have bio hair, it grips to it. I don't, and that was painful. Then she came out with the GripAfix S, and it has a strip of silicone all around the inside and a strip of silicone all the way around the outside. It also has a lace part, a wide lace part, and you can put wherever the part is on your wig. And then she's got the lace front, and it's a big lace front. So you can also align that with the lace on your wig. I usually wear it back a little farther than where that's gonna hit, but at least I know it's not gonna show. This is my favorite part. It took me years to figure out because I do not have much of an occipital bone. On some people, this bone really sticks out and they don't have a problem with their wig sliding up in the back. I always had a problem, and I didn't even find out about wig grips until probably 5 to 8 years within my wig wearing journey. When I discovered wig grips, that was a huge life changer. I also had the wide Velcro ones that end up kind of being doubled up in the back, and those would still slide up during the day, and it caused a lot of bulk back there. With this one, there's no bulk. It's just this. It's a thin little elastic band, and this goes under your occipital bone, and even if you don't have much of one, it grips, and because of all the silicone, it doesn't slide up. Most days I wear it just like this, and please remember, you do not want it down so far that it's resting on the back of your ears. Slide it up until it's like this. You do not want that down on top of your ears, because with your wig there too, and maybe you wear glasses like me, it's all too much behind your ears and it starts getting very uncomfortable. So just slide it up a little so it's not pushing down on the backs of your ears, and you'll be a lot more comfortable. I don't know if any of you saw, I posted a video where I was on the Polly Lookout on Oahu in Hawaii, and the wind gusts there are up to 74 miles per hour. I'm pretty sure I was in 74-mile-an-hour winds. It was crazy wind. I knew I was going there that day, so what I did that day to make sure my wig did not fly off, and it did not, it didn't budge. I've tested it, so you can trust me. I use Got to Be Glued hairspray. I used this before I put my wig grip on. If your wig grip is secure, your wig is secure. So if you're gonna be doing something where it's gonna be really high winds, or you just wanna make sure your wig is gonna stay secure, do this first, then put this on, then your wig, and it's not gonna move. I can promise you it's not gonna move. I've tested it. So I'm gonna put some of this on as if I'm going to be in high winds, and I do it right here, and I do it right back there, which ironically enough is where I have the most hair. And then put this on, get it placed exactly where you want it. Make sure it isn't too far down on the backs of your ears. See how that goes right there? And it doesn't slide up. It does not slide up all day. It stays there. And that's amazing to me. And so then I'm gonna put on my wig, shake it out first. This is always a good idea, especially with shorties. Or when you first get a wig, they've always got box hair, so shake it out. And I'm gonna comb it a little. Sometimes I'll spray it with a little water. That helps with any flyaways. I might wait till I put it on. I'm gonna grab it by the nape, and I'm gonna dive in. I'm gonna put my forehead against here and put it, and then pull it back under the wig grip, where it goes down here under the wig grip. But don't put it too far. I'll show you. Dive in, use the ear tabs to adjust the placement. Really not supposed to do what I just did, which was gripping the front, but sometimes I do. Because y'all know I'm a rebel anyway, so. This is Santander, by the way, from Beltress, the City Collection, and she's kind of a new favorite shorty. I've been wearing her every weekend because she's just so dang easy. And this is the color Macadamia Latte. Okay, so you want to make sure your ear tabs are centered, and they are. You want to make sure they're pushed in against your head, and they are. This is where they should fall. If they are way back here or way up here or way down here, your wig doesn't fit, but this is perfect. So, and just make sure they're even, like this way. Then I use the 4-finger method. You may have to adjust that depending on how big your forehead is. Or if you have bio hair and your bio hair starts here, you have no choice. You've got to set your wig where your bio hair starts. Mine has receded, so I can put it anywhere, but I try to go like forward. I squeeze my fingers tight, so it's from the top of my eyebrow to the edge of the leg, to the edge of the wig actually, is 4 fingers, and that's about right for my face. And then in the back, this is where I put it. So it's down over, you can see the wig grip, it's over the wig grip, and then that bottom nape, the extended nape goes under the, like below the wig grip. And it's not, if you get it too low, it's gonna drive you crazy there too. It actually makes your muscles start hurting. And ask me how I know that. I've done it before, like back in the beginning. But you get it in the right place, it's not gonna bother you at all. And it's not gonna move all day. I can tell you, when I take my wig off at night, the wig grip is exactly where I put it on that morning. So it's not gonna move. And now your wig is super secure. It's not going anywhere. It's comfortable. You're ready to go for the day and looking so cute, right? Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. It's been a long process, but it's easy. And once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. So comment below if you have any questions, and please subscribe to my channel if you don't already. I'd love it. I'm trying to build my following here on YouTube, so I'm ready for the day. Thanks for following me, and thanks for watching along as long as you did.